This week's feast...
Pizza pouches from regular show. Mordecai and Rigby go to great lengths to make the ultimate pizza pouch, and while we do appreciate their efforts, it'll probably be a bit simpler for us just to make them. Sans finding an aircraft to jump out of. So let's get started. Combine your dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. Flour, yeast, sugar, and salt, and mix it all together. Gradually add in very warm water and continue mixing bit by bit until you form a ball of dough. Now as you're doing this, you can add in any additional flour if you need it to get to the right consistency of being just slightly tacky. Knead on a floured surface until it's smooth and elastic. Set aside and cover. Let's move on to making our pizza pouch filling. Heat olive oil on medium-high and saute your garlic and onions until they are translucent. Pour on your tomato sauce and add sugar, oregano, and basil, and continue cooking until it reaches a simmer, and then let it keep simmering and reducing over 10 to 15 minutes until it's no longer watery. Cook your sausage, splitting it into small chunks. Now, the smaller the better when it comes to packing our pizza pouches later. Now that the dough has risen, divide it into 8 segments with a knife or by hand, and then flour a surface and use a rolling pin to create a small flat round burrito skin, kind of similar to what we did for the dumplings. Place some cheese in the middle, followed by our pizza sauce, then pepperonis, our brown sausage, and another layer of cheese before rolling it up like a burrito. Wow, just look at that rectangle. Place it in the oven at 375 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes until lightly browned. Transfer it out and let it cool before eating. And voila, you've made the pizza pouch from regular show. A big thanks to our patrons for the support of this episode. As always, we call out one lucky patron each show and dedicate the recipe to them. So if you want to join, head on over to patreon.com/feastoffiction. This week's lucky patron is...
Who's that patron? It's KB!
Yes, I can't wait to eat these pizza pouches!
Wait, Jimmy, they're cold.
Oh, yeah. Oh, but I have a brilliant idea. Cheers, cheers. Mmm. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Now these taste amazing. Definitely let them cool down before you eat. But the We Bear Bears have their calzones. These guys have their pizza pouches. Maybe all the animators just love pizza and bread.
All the animators?
Yeah, the people
everybody in real life
okay, all right, good
loves
point.
pizza.
Good
Who doesn't
point.
love pizza? Come on.
Hands
if I
up.
was an animator, I'd be pizza in my animations too.
Pizza cake. You want a pizza this?
Cheesy.
Ah, get it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And that cheese pull? Let's rewind to that cheese pull. Yep. That was great. If Sam edits this and there's just no rewind. Never buy store-bought dough again. All you need is flour, yeast, a little bit of sugar.
Salt and water. I mean, you probably have all of that in your pantry.
All right, another recipe in the books. And speaking of books, we're working on one right now, the Feast of Fiction cookbook.
Wow, cute plug.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna be a while before it comes out, but we're thinking of recipes and stuff every single day, and your comments inspire what is going to be on this show, as well as in the book. So please, go in the comment section below, tell us what you want to see us make next on Feast of Fiction.
Yep, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.